Hi there, it's Gordon. I am the Happiness Guy, and today I want to give you a quick 5-minute ab routine that will, if you do it every couple of days, is going to have your kind of tummy area feeling kind of a whole lot tighter and more toned after a couple of weeks. So, 5 exercises. The first exercise is going to be an upper crunch. Second exercise and third exercise are going to be side planks to the right and the left. Fourth exercise is going to be flutter kicks, and fifth exercise is going to be squat thrusts. Now I'm going to do it for 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off, but you can do it kind of 30 on, 30 off, you can do reps, it doesn't really matter. It's a 5-minute routine, you can do it how you want, but this is just kind of a wee suggested 40-20, which for plenty of people should feel tough enough. So 5 minutes, I'm going to kind of just get started in a second, and my first exercise is upper crunch, so I'll talk you through it as we go. So, lying on your back, I'll just press start, and I'll see if I can keep that somewhere that I can see it. Alright, so first exercise, hands by your temples, kind of feet on the ground, curling up, sucking your tummy button in through the spine, holding it up for a second, really working the upper abs more, and back down. Up, hold, squeeze, and back down. Up, hold, squeeze, and back down. Things to avoid: don't pull on your head, don't strain your neck. Imagine you can have maybe like a fist, an orange, something that size, to keep your neck in nice alignment. So it's up, hold, squeeze, 45 seconds. So I've got a little bit over. We'll just go to the next one. In 10 seconds, we're going to do a side plank. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to have feet over feet, knees over knees. I'm going to give you a few options as we go. So one of the harder options is going to be up like this. You've got your shoulder over your elbow. Shoulders are over shoulders. We're not rotated forwards. We're in a nice straight line. So that's one of the harder options. You want to make that a little bit easier. Drop down onto your knees, pull them back behind you, pull your hips forwards, and then put your hips up. That might just help you keep nice alignment between the shoulders. So that would be a side plank. You're going to feel that kind of down and around here. How are we for time? A few more seconds. Okay. Going to do that on the other side. We're going in about 10 seconds. So this time I'll go up and I'll hold it for 40, fingers crossed. And up we go. Another positioning that some people like is one foot in front of the other. I think that's harder to stay in alignment with, but if you are going to have one foot in front of the other, then have the foot that's kind of in front of you. The leg that's closest to the ground, foot in front of you, that would work. So up and hold, or up and hold about here. So that's your side plank. A few more seconds. And we're resting. Next is going to be flutter kicks. These ones can cause a little bit of kind of tension in the back, so just going to need to be careful with them. I'll go through a few different options. I'll just kind of skip the timer a little bit. So from here, hands by your side, point your toes, abs nice and tight, and just slowly and in a controlled fashion, legs are moving. So that one you're going to kind of feel, because you've raised up, you're going to feel it here, but you're also going to feel it really lower down. If that's a bit much for you, and it can be for some, then bring your knees in a little, because if your legs are closer, it's not so bad, or not so hard. Equally so, one leg up, one leg down, or one up, something like that. Ideally, somewhere around here, and you're going to really feel that. And I've got 10 minutes, or rather 10 seconds to go before I do squat thrusts, and these are probably the hardest. Just have a watch. Shoulders are stacked directly over your hands, and it's in and out. So when you come up, you're bringing your knees through your elbows, and when you go back out, we're into a high plank. This is the one that's probably the hardest of them all. Be careful, we don't let our back sag. Got to keep your hips up. You find your back sagging, just hold a plank. And I've got about 8 seconds, so I'll just finish off holding in a high plank. Abs tight. Okay, and that is a 5-minute ab routine. So, first exercise, upper crunch. Second and third exercises, side plank. Fourth, flutter kicks. And fifth, squat thrusts. If you want to make it 10 minutes, just repeat the thing twice. As you can hear, the squat thrusts get your heart rate up as well. So, hopefully that's been useful for you. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day.